Today, take a look at the DURATECH 18-inch extra long flex head ratchet wrench. So we have a very nice chrome handle. This is a rounded handle, so it's going to be very nice on your hands. It even has a little knurled grip right there. You can also see it says DURATECH right there in the middle. And then on the end, we have a 17mm flex head ratchet. So this does swivel up and down, and it ratchets. Now if you look closely in there, you can see a little ring. So that is designed to attach to Nano sockets. So these are Nano sockets, and if we take a look at these guys, we have a 3/8 drive in the middle, but we also have a 17mm hex on the outside with those little cutouts in there. So what that's going to do, it is going to allow us to click this onto that ratcheting wrench. And you can see the profile we got on there. That is super thin. We are looking about 1 inch from top to bottom. So if we're to compare that to a similar size socket, you can see that you can fit this in areas where you cannot fit a regular old ratchet with a socket. If we look inside there, we can see that there is a little bit of extra space on the inside of this ratcheting wrench. So this is a little bit thicker than the ultra low profile ratcheting wrenches, but you get the benefit of having an 18-inch handle on this guy. So that extra thickness will make this a little bit stronger. Now it does click in, and it clicks in on both sides. So if you're doing work that you would normally need to get a wrench in there, and especially something where you need a very long handle on it, but it would make it more ideal if you could actually ratchet onto that bolt, this is going to be the tool that you want for that.
So if you're in a situation like this, you don't really have a lot of room to get around, this is going to make your life a heck of a lot easier. Now you might be saying to yourself, why don't you just get one of these? And for this, I would say, well, you're absolutely right, because you can do the exact same thing with this, and you have even a better profile. However, if there was a bolt behind that, basically if you have to reach over anything, maybe it's just a piece of the molding of whatever that you're working on, something where you still need to be able to get the socket over an obstacle, then be able to rotate it, this is going to be the tool that you want for that. So, I mean, it's one of those things where you're definitely not going to be using this all the time, but when you need it, you need it. This is just another nice option for having in your arsenal. So overall, that is a very nice tool.